I've been the CIO of EBSCO Industries for a little over a year, and prior to that I was the CIO of EBSCO's largest division. That largest division has delivered cloud services really since 1995, and I've been with the company since prior to 1995. Cloud is sort of a natural thing for me and my company, and whenever we take advantage of a new system, we look for opportunities to move it to the cloud and take advantage of the cloud. We wholeheartedly believe in the value proposition that you have in terms of scale and efficiency and speed to market. So deploying to a cloud environment has a lot of cost advantages. It's operating expense versus fluctuating capital expense. One of the things that you look for in business is leverage, and so investing in a solution that is sort of infinitely scalable provides you that kind of leverage. So in today's world, increasing the speed and agility in which you are able to take on new customers, take on new businesses, pivot and take your business in a different direction, implement new features, develop new capabilities, those are all hugely important. They're differentiating factors between one company and another. So the more tools that we can put in the toolbox to help us be more agile and faster to market are things we're going to do. Adopting a standard set of features and software, standard meaning they've encompassed all of the needs of many of the thousands of companies and users that preceded you. They've probably taken care of a lot of the most important things, and you sort of have to let go of some niche needs and features that you're used to in the past. You don't really realize all the benefits until you're fully cloud enabled. One of the things that's been interesting for me in my last year as the CIO of EBSCO Industries, which is a worldwide conglomerate, is being exposed to people who really weren't cloud savvy, and so they really didn't have a good feel for how commonplace and standard some of these capabilities are. And so people worrying about speed or security or lack of customization, accepting the fact that these solutions solve some of those problems was second nature to me. And so having to convince someone that no, they really do know how to host applications, they really do know how to take care of support, they can deal with security issues much better on a much greater scale than you could or we could individually. It was a little surprising that I had to go through that, but once you sort of lay out the facts and give them context and perspective, they're on board. So I think it's in 5 years we won't call it the cloud. We may have another name for it, or we may have no name for it because it'll be so ubiquitous. But I think that's where we're going with cloud adoption.